Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix HP USP Windows update doesn't install problem in Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix it guys. First solution I'll be recommending ensure stable internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before attempting to update. And the second solution is restart the system guys. Sometimes a simply restart can resolve the temporary issues. So restart your computer and try installing the Windows update again. And third solution is disable security softwares. Temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall softwares on your Windows computer guys, as they might be interfering with the updates processes. And also you can try the first solution. You just need to run Windows update troubleshoot. Go to settings guys, go to search menu and type settings. On system right side, select troubleshoot guys, select other troubleshooters and select Windows update troubleshoot to run. Troubleshoot is automatically detect and fix common related problems guys. You have to restart the computer and then running Windows update again. Click next. If you get the same issues like this, you just need to restart your computer and run the Windows update again guys. Check for pending restart and check for Windows update issues detected guys. Did you want to fix the problems? Click yes and close the troubleshooters guys and restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, go ahead and another time click on Windows update troubleshoot to run, and hopefully your problem has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.